Okay. So next one is bandages. Right. So it has been decided the bandages is a problem. Right? Because why tearing the hairs from the person's body? It is permitted to tear open in destructive. Oh no. Okay. So even before that, it is permitted to tear open in destructive fashion the wrapper of needed bandage without tearing any warts. I mean, today it's simple. They're such a high quality. They just attach even the way I understand. Today it's like, well, what I do, I just open it a little, and you can pull out the bandage. You don't have to open tear these packages completely. I think. I mean, they're all different, but the ones that we use, there is no problem. Okay, of course, if you're in a hurry, right, you might get to rip the package, but must be very careful. Okay, so again, there are many words, and they're very thin. However, since the bandages of the Band-Aid can be removed from their wrappers without tearing it at all. But how? Just do it slowly, right? Slowly and right. By unfolding the folded ends of the wrappers and sliding the bandage out. Exactly. These wrappers should not be torn unnecessarily. So, meaning if it's enough, like in the beginning, in the beginning of the wrapper of the bandage, just open a little and then pull out. That's it. So don't open completely. There is no need. Okay. Some poskim say that one should not peel off the plastic tabs of a new Band-Aid on Shabbos. I mean, it's as we understand it, it's like a little. I mean, if a person has a wound or something, and he or she knows that they would need to replace the ointment or something like that, that's a different story. But if a person just got a cut, a wound on Shabbos, of course we did not plan it. But this some poskim say, so if you can prepare, meaning that take these plastic tabs that attach to the Band-Aid, right, to cover this sticky area, right? So we should do that. So detach and reattach. So meaning it's not like from the factory, but from us, and we prepared it for Shabbos. Okay, before Shabbos. Then it is permitted to remove them on Shabbos. When he needs a Band-Aid, since the attachment was only temporarily, meaning for sure. I mean, even if you think logically, even when they would produce them in a factory, it was also temporarily. They did not plan to stay together attached until you need it. But in this case, for sure, if you did it before Shabbos with intention that I might need it on Shabbos, for sure it's temporarily. However, Hagaon Harab Moshe finds in the Tzal rule that it is also permitted to peel the plastic tabs of a Band-Aid for the first time on Shabbos. Right? So, meaning Rav Moshe said, so we do. No problem. Okay. So, I guess if somebody wants to go by a more stricter opinion and they know for sure they're going to need let's say 3 Band-Aids because you have to change these bandages, I don't know, every 3 hours, 4 hours, let's say. I'm just making up the case, right? So in this case, yeah, you can prepare. Why shouldn't you? Okay. So next one is disposable diapers, right? So again, tearing, right? Right. So again, tearing. Of course, these plastic tabs for sure, and sometimes they get stuck. The diapers got stuck from the heat when they pack them, right? When they pack them very tightly in the package, right? Right. So sometimes they get stuck. Okay. So according to some authorities, the preceding discussion concerning Band-Aid tabs pertained also to the adhesive tabs of the disposable diapers. And technically, if you think about it, is it such a big humra that is not that impossible to follow? I would not say so. So, for example, a mother knows that she might need 5 diapers, 7 diapers, whatever, doesn't matter, whatever. So she can remove these plastic tabs and reattach them. It takes 2 minutes. So technically, I mean, Rabbi Moshe Feinstein also it's not necessary, but technically it's not such a big like difficulty, right? Not such a big impossibility. They therefore state that one should unglue the adhesive tabs and refasten them once before Shabbos, right? As we said, the same with these Band-Aids. And only then unfasten them for the actual use on Shabbos. Okay, so meaning for sure it's temporary. However, Hagon, Harav Moshe Feinstein, Zatzal, and other authorities relate it's a rule that's unnecessary. Okay. So far so good. Often the ends of disposable diapers are fused together in a factory. So of course it was not intentional. It was not. Right? With the tissues, the facial tissue, yes, it was intentional, but with the disposable diapers, not, right? And must be torn apart for the diapers to be opened. This fusing is not done intentionally, but occurs with the diapers to be cut, right? To be cut, or when they compress into package, right? So they compress into package. Since the Melachah of Tirin does not pertain to items, they were attached inadvertently. So that's what we said about the books, right? Bench or something. When something is stuck, for example, between the pages, like a piece of wood, like breadcrumbs or something, and they got attached, so we can open it because it was not attached intentionally. So it is permitted to open these diapers, no problem. Okay.